Hi and welcome. Today in this video we will see how to import custom field suite plugin fields data into WordPress using WP Ultimate CSV Importer Pro plugin. You can find the custom field suite menu from the submenu list of settings menu. Here you can see I have one field group called CFS meta, and I have created fields like text field, text area field, date field, color field, true or false field, and select field. In select field, I have chosen the option multi-select, and I have created relationship field, term field, user field, and file upload field. I have assigned these fields to my WordPress post. Now let's see the CSV file preparation. This is my CSV file. I have included the default post field values like post title, post content, post excerpt, post date, post name, post author, post status, featured image, post format, comment status, ping status. And next I have included the CFS fields values. In the text field, provide the text in single line. In the text area field, enter multiple lines of text here. In the date field, provide the date in this format. In the color field, provide the color in hexa values. In the true or false field, provide the value 1 to enable the checkbox, otherwise specify the value 0. In the select field, mention multiple select values in comma separator. In the relationship field, provide the multiple post names in comma separator. In the term field, specify the categories in comma separator. In the user field, specify multiple user IDs in comma separator. In the file upload field, mention the ID of your WordPress media. And next I have specified the post category and post tag fields. Now let's import the CSV with WP Ultimate CSV Importer plugin. Visit your WordPress dashboard and move to the plugin page. You can upload your CSV or XML file from any of these locations. Now let's upload the CSV from my desktop. As I am importing new record to my WordPress post, so I select the new item option. And next you have to choose the post type from here. Click create new mapping to create new mapping template. Here you can see all the fields are auto-mapped. This has happened because the CSV headers and WordPress fields have same name. You can save the mapping with the name here. Click on continue. Let the media handling be enabled by default if you are importing any external images into your WordPress media library. These are the posts I have in my WordPress. Now let's import the CSV into WordPress instantly using this import button. The import is completed successfully. Now let's verify the result. Here you can see all the default post field values are imported successfully. Now let's see the CFS fields. Here you can see all the CFS field data are imported successfully. So this is how you import custom field suite plugin fields data into WordPress using Ultimate CSV Importer plugin. Thank you for watching the video.